Because a lot of people talk always about the transfer, but it's equally critical
Yes.
to inspect and repair.
Okay. Yes. So inspection, the meaning of mass inspect, which means you need to have make the transfer inspection faster, because in the past there's the inspection time is too slow. So you need to find some smart ways to do it quickly. So either with the large areas inspection with the new inspection tool, and also with some reasonable sampling, so that can, based on your production experience, to make the transfer inspection faster. That because inspection always takes more time compared, and it's not really generate any output or the revenue for the inspection. But it's important because now for this stage you need to have very good yield. The yield is not as good as expected, so inspection is a must. And then after inspection, you need to do the repair. So we also do the area repair, so that can be much faster compared. And we also have some of the repair location, or say redundant location design, so we can do very fast repair. So it's not a single LED repair. It's a massive repair, so that can save lots of time. So that's the way to the real mass production.